parang mali ata na after working for more than 20 years, wala akong investment, wala akong pera. That's wrong. So, doon ako napaisip. Okay? If you need to change your life, you need this one thing. What is that one thing? Alright? Bago ko ituloy yan, magkwento lang ako sandali. Siguro 5 years ago or 4 years. Yeah, I think 4 years ago. Almost 4 years ago. Nakita ulit kami ng isa kong church mate for more than 20 years. More than 20 years kami di nakikita. Then sabi niya sa akin, well, we were talking about our past experiences, the things that happened to us for almost 20 years. Then, sabi niya sa akin, siguro, madami ka ng investment tsaka pera. Right? So, I just smiled. Then, pag-uwi ko, sabi ko, so, after working for more than 20 years, so, dapat nga siguro marami na akong investment tsaka pera sa bank. Pero wala. That's the thing. So, that's the thing. So, wala talaga, as in, meron, konti, pero hindi mo siya may consider na pera talaga, as in, konti lang. After more than 20 years of working, that's the scenario, right? That's the scenario. Then, that's the start. That's the start. So, sabi ko parang mali ata na after working for more than 20 years, wala akong investment, wala akong pera. And that's wrong. So, doon ako napaisip, okay? And that, since then, yung sin na yon o yung situation na yon that I realized, somebody told me that, and then I realized na bakit nga ba wala? And that's the start. Doon na ako nagsimula na magkaroon ng reason, magkaroon ng why sa buhay ko, na dapat I should have these things at age 40, then 41 ata ako noon. Then after working for so long, di ba? So sinabi ko sa sarili ko, dapat magkaroon ako ng pera sa bangko, dapat magkaroon ako ng investment, dapat magkaroon ako ng kotse, di ba? Dapat magkaroon ako ng property. That's my reason. Then, I started changing everything in my life. Okay? So, if you want to change your life, you need one reason, at least one reason. Find one reason in your life. Okay? Sometimes, sabi nga ni Jim Rohn, kaya hindi natin alam kung anong gagawin natin, we don't have reasons. When we don't have enough reasons. And even intelligent people, they are not becoming successful. They are not becoming rich because they are intelligent but they don't have enough reasons. Alright? So we need reason. We need even one single reason to change your life. Do you want to change your finances? Do you want to change your life? Do you want to improve your life? Or do you want to be successful? Find one reason. You write one reason. Okay? You write one reason. Magsulat ka ng isang mong dahilan. Ano yung reason mo? Ako, I was able to write my own reason. I was able to write that reason na gusto ko magkaroon ng pera sa bangko, gusto ko magkaroon ng investment. Yun yung naging reason ko. That drives me. Hanggang ngayon, yun yung di ko malilimutan na senaryo na, you know, it's a turning point in my life. Doon ako nagsimulang maglagay ng reasons. Doon ko sinimulan na lagyan ng reasons sa buhay ko. Okay? Find your reasons. What can be your reasons? It can be, ayoko na nang sinisingil ako ng mga pinagkakautangan ko. That can be a reason. Ayaw mo nang tinetext ka, pinupuntahan ka every payday. Diba? Gustong bayaran lahat ng utang mo. That can be your reason. That can be your reason. Diba? That can be your reason. So, that's one. And, Mamad, so, live ako, nagpa-vlog. My friend from US. Silang dalawa. Parts sila ng reasons ko eh. Parts sila ng reasons ko. That's why I work so hard. Diba? You just have to, dyan lang kayo, yung listen, para hindi na kayo makinig ng vlog ko mamaya. So, you need to find your reasons. Right? So, you need to find your reasons. find that one thing in your life. Find that thing na gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo. Baka yung family mo, reason mo, di mo lang alam, di mo lang na-identify. Diba? You want to have quality education for your children. Diba? Gusto mo mabagong bahay nyo. You want to drive your own car. Diba? Just find your reason. Alright? So, yun ang tema ng vlogs natin ngayong linggo na to ata ay reason. Finding your reasons. Alright? So, if you want to change your life, believers, just find one reason and you can do it. Okay? If you want help on how to do that, Doc G, gusto ko i-mentor mo ako, i-coach mo ako. I can be your coach and mentor. Tawagan mo ako 0939-5254-311. Alright, so thank you very much, believers. Enjoy the rest of the day. Yeah? Let's go, let's go.